Good morning, students, and welcome you back to our online classes. And today we will be studying about computer software. Okay, so let's continue with our chapter computer software. First of all, let's go for it. What is an computer? A computer is an electronic device that diverts the operation with the help of instructions to process the data in order to achieve desired result. Computer is an electronic device. First of all, what do you mean by electronic? Electronic means any device which is working on electricity is known as electronic. Okay. So all the operations with the help of instructions, computer do all the operation with the instructions which we give to the computer. It processes the data and achieve the desired result. For example, we have asked computer to do the calculation. So computer would be asking that what are the numbers of which I have to do the calculation. When we will input the number, it will process the numbers and see what kind of a process we have asked. We have asked addition, subtraction, or something else. So after achieving that desired process, it will give us the result, whatever the we have told it. Okay. It is made up of both hardware and software. So let's come, what is hardware? All the things which are the physical components, we can touch them. For example, this mouse, we can touch it. This is a hardware. Okay. Keyboard is a hardware. Monitor is a hardware. All the things which we can touch is a hardware. And what is software? A software is a set of instructions that makes the computer perform a task. With a combination of hardware and software, if I'm moving my mouse, that means a computer software is telling that the mouse is moving. This is the work of software. And with the help of this hardware device, I am able to give the instructions. So now let's come to the types of software. Today we are going to have an explanation of types of software. So there are two types of software. One is system software and one is application software. So let's continue with it. What is a system software? It is the most important component to operate a computer. The operating system is a type of a system software. Means all the things which are working in my system is of system software, due to which the system is working is known as a system software. System software are of three types. One is operating system, second is programming software, and the third is utility software. These are the three types of system software. Then let's come to the operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. Okay, means the operating system is running on a computer and we are using it. It manages the computer memory. For example, I am storing a picture. It would be allocating the space for that picture, that where it should be stored, and the minimum space should be taken by that photograph. So this is the work of an operating system. It is an interface between user and the hardware. User and the hardware means, like I just told you earlier, that right now I'm using my mouse. This is the hardware, and I'm giving instructions to my computer. So this is the interface between user and the hardware. Operating system usually comes preloaded on a computer you buy. जब हम कंप्यूटर खरीदते हैं या कोई भी सिस्टम खरीदते हैं, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जर्नली उसमें प्री लोडेड ही आता है. And generally we are using that preloaded versions only, but it is possible to upgrade it or even change the operating system. मगर ये possible है कि हम उसे upgrade कर लें, उसका new latest version download कर लें, या फिर हम पूरा operating system ही change कर लें. So there are some common examples of operating system like Microsoft Windows. You all have heard about Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. These are some examples of the operating system. So what is the function of an operating system? Operating system perform three functions. What are they? It manages the computer resources like your keyboard, your mouse, your CPU. All the things are being handled by your operating system. Okay. Coordinates with memory, process the data, and printers. Means it is coordinating the memory, processing all the storage things which you are doing. Okay. and it runs the application, means we are running at a time, we are doing many programs, so it is helping in that also. Okay, so today we are going to study only this much. Let's have a quick recap of it. What I told you today is computer is an electronic device because वो electricity पे work करता है. Then I told you that computer is made up of hardware and software. Computer का जो होता है वो टू चीज़ों से बनता है, एक हार्डवेयर और एक सॉफ्टवेयर। हार्डवेयर वो होते हैं जो फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स जिन्हें हम टच कर सकते हैं, एंड सॉफ्टवेयर वो होते हैं जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस को परफॉर्म करवाने में। ओके, सो यू कैन से that software is of two types. One is system software and another is application software. System software are those softwares which we use in our system and which helps our system main working process. Main मतलब main work जो कर रहे हैं. Okay, so the one is operating system, the second is programming software, and the third is utility software. I hope you all are going to revise it and you all have understood it. So have a great day, and we would be continuing in our next class.